Hello Devon, how can I get a stiffener at home?
There are 3 tips on how to make your OWN stiffener at home. First tip is, get a 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Fill a bowl with 1/4 cup of cold water and another bowl of 1/4 cup of hot water. Then mix the cornstarch with cold water slowly. After the solution is formed, start adding it with the hot water. You will be left with a thick consistency in the bowl. Then add the fabric into the solution. Wash with warm water and soap later, after it has stiffened, so there won't be any residue on the material.
Amazing. What are my other options?
Second tip, take 1 tablespoon of flour, add 1/2 cup of cold water in a bowl, then you keep another bowl of boiling water ready. Mix the flour and the cold water to form a creamy consistency, then slowly add it to the boiling water, then mix it again till the thickness is gravy-like. Then cool down to room temperature before using it to stiffen the material. Note: the flour won't last like the cornstarch, so to make a better choice. Lastly, you can get a bowl of uncooked rice and boil it. Wait until the starch has been separated from the rice. Then separate the rice and the water. Do not let the consistency be too thick or it will lose its quality. Let the water cool down enough to be used for stiffenability, but don't let it cool down to room temperature or it will lose its value. Dip the fabric into the water and let out to dry under the sun for best result.
Amazing, thank you so much Devon, these tips are really insightful. I will be sure to try them out.
Do drop a feedback in the comment when you are done. Let's know which one worked for you or which of them you would be trying out. Cheers!